is the difference that the technology makes here in this market? Like, I, from my background early on in my career, I felt like waiting on GPs for 3 weeks for a basic request. There's some kind of signaling in there, and sometimes track records can make up for that. But what do y'all think? Like, what is the difference? I mean, certainly there's sounds more efficient, more time you have to actually do some work and not do reporting and stuff. But let's hear it from you. I mean, what's the difference?
So I was gonna actually talk about the time point that it frees up your time and helps you with where to prioritize.
Yeah.
So a very good example is our team had a thesis that cold outreach could be helpful for us, and that we have a lot of existing investors, but maybe we should try a wave of cold outreach. But we didn't have any real way to actually track that or to prove that it was making a difference. Similar thing with conferences. We had some people who felt like conferences were a great way to meet LPs, and some people who had a different. So we decided to just start tracking it. And so we can actually track through Alvia the source of where all of our leads came from. And so over time, you could start to see how that will actually pick up and give us really valuable insight for during a fundraise. Where should you be spending time? Should you be working with existing investors to uncover those leads? Should you be going out in the market? Should you be prospecting more? And it actually really helps us organize our efforts as a capital development team because we're still lean. And you could go down a rabbit hole of meeting all these people and doing all this research to uncover certain leads that are not that useful to you. And so we're using it actually as a way to kind of scrape and give us insight into where to spend our time for a fundraise.
Amazing.
Beyond, and of course, the natural reporting piece of it, which is obviously a huge time saver.